what is this whole installation about and what is the concept?
This installation is called Crystal Beat, and it's simply that it's combining crystal plus beat from music. And usually we supply our lighting or put our lighting in spaces to create an atmosphere. And with that, we wanted to extend it for one more layer of senses. That means from a visual point also to an acoustic layer. And not only have a background music playing, but having the light react on the music. So that means whatever kind of music you have the possibility to let the light follow the music. And in this particular case, with this very orthogonal, strict grid and layout of the light, you see quite nicely how the light is expanding as the music. So the idea of listen to light and make music visible in a way was the idea behind this project. And you see there is not only the lighting three-dimensional, but also the sound system. It's with 16 speakers. So the sound is traveling around in the space, and you see that the light is following it.
Yeah.
So you hear that, you feel that, and with that it gets a holistic experience in the space.
Yeah, we are responsible for that. Of course,